this is something amazing which I found in this program. Right? This program was basically, I would call it as a recapitulation of many of the learnings of the past. Right? And in fact, in past we realized that the learnings were given without actually giving a right context or without giving a right background. So this program had actually helped me. I'll give you one example. For example, say if you want to see a change, then see the change first in yourself. So that's something which everybody has told us, and I have never come to terms to understand it, what exactly it means, how it is to be done. But the same concept was actually shared yesterday. So if you want to be compassionate with others, so be compassionate with yourself first. So that's where, and it was not just a saying or a statement. It was more of a feeling, more of, I would say, I could also learn that how to do it. And not only this, if I have to add, like meditation is something which I've been doing for around last 4 or 5 years. And so far, the focus was on to control your breath, control your emotions, or I would say manage your breathing, manage your emotions, right, and bring calm in your life. But this is the first time I have seen that you can really use that meditative power or a meditation process to bring a change. And now I feel, and that's why I called it as a eureka moment. So it is not just being compassionate with myself, but it is also like mindful eating. So it means I can do a lot of things mindfully by using this practice, which I am sure is going to change my life forever. So the work side is something, the compassionate is something which I need to practice, right? So I have been a hard boss, that I know. And my showing compassion is also, I would say, it's not in a manner which is not in a motherly manner, more into a fatherly manner. So I think that's the blend which I'll bring into my day-to-day life with my team.